It's not giving what it was supposed to have give. Why did I purchase it? Like, what's going on? We are finally here. And another thing, tell me why I cut off of the TikTok shop. So I think that look a lot better. Full-time job. I moisturized the face already with the Tatcha cream. All products will be listed below, so not to worry. Now I'm gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Primer, Grip Primer. Pea-sized amount. I'm gonna put it in the trouble areas on my skin. I'm also gonna take my nose ring off. Yeah. Both sides of my nose are pierced, but one side was pierced with the needle, the other side was pierced with the gun. The one with the needle cured way faster and it's healed way faster than the one that I did with the gun. That I did with the gun, if I leave the airing out for 24 hours, the hole will block, which is crazy to me. So moral of the story is, if you're gonna get a piercing or nose piercing, do it with the needle. Do not do it with the gun, because the gun is gonna take forever to heal. The two faves, well, not really faves, but we have lighter concealer and darker concealer. So this is the by Mario and then the MAC 24 Hour. And I'm really not trying to do too much with the makeup today at all. I'm really trying to do like the least amount as possible. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look. It's not doing too much, which I didn't want it to do too much anyway. It's just like, you know, pretty simple, pretty chill. Cause like I need to leave the house, and from my phone telling me that I don't have enough storage, from me trying to delete it, from me trying to have to take this romper off just to use the bathroom to put the whole thing back on. That's the only thing I hate about onesies. Like the whole having to go to the bathroom, having to take the whole thing off, I just cannot. So between those two things, it's time for me to leave the house, for me to go, because like I said, it's about 5:30. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. Make sure you're staying hydrated, okay? Even though I haven't drunk much for the day, I've been really busy, and I will drink some, but stay hydrated. I drink some. BRB. I am too excited to get these condos, like way too excited. Cause like I have condos, but they're like really old, so I want to check out to see if they have some on sale. But I feel like Bed & Body Works might have like Christmas condos on sale. And watch me buy the Christmas condos too when we're in May. Hey babe, so I don't know if you can hear me because it's really loud in here, but today I'll be showing you guys what a leg day looks like for me. I'm already into the workout. I am back. I know it took me a little minute. I've been doing. I know. First, let's get into this curly hair that just grew up out of my head overnight. That's a lie. So this is Love Me Hair clip-ins. Doing a tutorial, already posted a tutorial, either or, but I already have this. This should be, or upcoming, this should be posted, of how I install these clip-ins with the minimal of my hair out. And as you know, the ends of my hair are like brown, but I was able to get it black without dyeing my actual hair. I have to get like accustomed of actually wearing like my natural hair, or just, you know, natural curls and not wigs anymore. So it's like, now I feel like my forehead is so big, but it's really the normal size of my forehead, just that like all the time before I was with closures or wigs, so I could kind of adjust the size of my forehead, but now it's kind of like I'm forced to love my forehead. What did I purchase? What did I purchase? What did I purchase? Stay tuned, I'm gonna show you. Time to open up the $1,600 purchase. Was it worth it? We gonna see. What? Okay. Oh, ready to unreveal? Ready to reveal what I purchased for $1,600.
3,
Here we go.
2, 1.
Yay. Like, I actually waited to open this since I got it. I wanted to do like the unpackaging of it on YouTube. So this is the new, why did they put all of this stuff on here? So this is the new iPod, the iPod Pro 13-inch. I don't remember the exact name. Designed by Apple. So I was able to get it, like the details. Ooh, oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Who is this? You guys see this? Hopefully the camera is focusing. Yeah, I was able to get that. I did that. That was me. So I got the color like gray, and the crazy thing about it is like I didn't spell my middle name like how it's legally spelled. I spelled it like how I spell it on social media. So that's pretty cool. So unwrapping it, it comes in this like paper, and it's pretty big, like size of my head. So like, as you guys know, like I already did have an iPod, but I had to return it because I got it from Amazon, and it was just like the charger, the import for the charger wasn't connecting. And when that happens, like it'll die, and it'll be so hard to like charge it back because the adapter is not working. So more of the story is I returned it, and I got a brand new iPod, like the newest one. When you continue to like unbox it, it comes with this little book. What is in this? Don't tell me it has stickers. They still doing this? What is this? Oh, thought it was like stickers, like you know, like the iPhone back in the day used to have like the Apple sticker. To you, like how to set it up, how to wake it up, and all this. Apple still cares about us. Some of us at least. The charger, all this kind of stuff. This investment that I made, and I'm very grateful for it too. I'm very grateful for the opportunity to be able to purchase this, because I know like I will be using this like in the long run for like a lot of different things that I have planned for you guys. Like I keep telling you guys, like I have a lot of good things planned for you guys. I did want to show you guys my $1,600 purchase.